respected principal sir, dear teachers, lovely parents, and my dear friends. Oh, very warm good morning and welcome to all of you. Hey, we are honored to have you with us on our virtual graduation day.
Good morning, everyone. The day has just begun. I like to see your smiling faces. Good morning, everyone. Congratulations, class. You did it. I'm so proud of you. Happy graduation day to all of you. Today is the day of joy and happiness for the graduating students and their parents. I welcome you all to this colorful ceremony. Dear kids, you have completed the journey with great achievements and beautiful memories. These memories will remain forever in my heart. I would like to
Congratulations and celebrations. We want to tell you how blessed are you. Congratulations and celebrations. We want to tell you how blessed are you. In the presence of your loved ones to celebrate this special day. So come, let's celebrate. Come, let's celebrate. Let's celebrate. Come celebrate this day.
प्रोग्राम प्यारे बच्चों के लिए जिनकी मासूमियत सी हंसी दिल को छू जाती है, उनकी खिलखिलाहट हर गम को भुला जाती है। दर्द कितना भी हो इस जहां में, बच्चों की प्यारी सी मुस्कान हर जख्म मिटा जाती है। So let me introduce the rock stars of my class. Here we have first on screen Ayan Shravan, who is very energetic and active child of my class. He likes to participate in all the class activities. Well done, Ayan. Anamika Kataria is a brilliant child of my class. She has got a sharp brain. She is an independent, self-motivated child. She got second prize in show and tell competition. Well done, Anamika. Avika Mehra is an outstanding child of my class. She is very kind and helpful. She got consolation prize in show and tell competition. Congratulations, Avika, on showing outstanding performance in different fields. Anand is an excellent sports person of my class. He loves to do exercise daily. He loves learning new concepts and has a remarkable ability to work independently. Ansh Tripathi is an efficient child of my class. He displays a sense of responsibility and sincerity in all the tasks undertaken. Well done, Ansh. Aksh Dev is a cheerful child of my class. He impresses everyone with his cheerful personality. Aksh Dev is very caring and friendly child of my class. He shows empathy towards his friends. He enjoys playing with his friends. Well done, Aksh. Bhakti Pant is a splendid child of my class, a very regular and sincere child. She loves coloring and shows the ability to focus and work independently. Well done, Bhakti. Devik is very kind and self-disciplined child of my class. He has made excellent progress this year. Well done, Devik. Deshna, the wonderful girl of my class. Her participation in academics and co-curricular activities is remarkable. She has got first prize in online story competition organized by House of Soft Skills, first prize in online fancy dress competition organized by Kiddos Junior International School. She has received Wonder Kid Award from the News 47, first prize in Poetry Fest, and many more. Well done, Deshna. We all proud of you. Keep up the spirit of hard work like this always. Dia is a very hard-working girl of my class. She loves coloring and shows the ability to focus and work independently. Well done, Dia. Divisha is a responsible girl of my class. She is very cooperative and well-mannered. She has participated very actively in all the activities done during the year. Well done, Divisha. Janvi, the dynamic personality of my class. She is very caring and always ready to learn new things. Well done, Janvi. Jasnoor Chawla is a very happy and friendly child of my class. She is very expressive and shows her creative skills with innovative ideas. Well done, Jasnoor. Kalpit Ahuja is an excellent child of my class. He has innovative ideas and sharp brain. He is very confident and capable of showing mettle in public. Well done, Kalpit. Kunj is a loving, kind, and helpful child of my class. He loves to interact with his teachers. He loves to share his toys with his friends. Well done, Kunj. Manik is a candid child of my class. He loves learning new concepts and has a remarkable ability to work independently. Well done, Manik. Mokshika is a creative angel of my class. She is blessed with lots of good qualities. She enjoys participating in free conversation and hello time. Nehul is a quiet little boy turned into a knowledgeable communicator. He has made fantastic progress this year and it makes me so proud. Well done, Nehul. Parth is a very active and smart child of my class. He is very kind. He loves to help others always. He has done great work this year. Well done, Parth. Ria is a very sweet and innovative child of my class. She can express her creative ideas very clearly and correctly. Well done, Ria. Rivansh is an efficient child of my class. He displays a sense of responsibility and sincerity in all the tasks undertaken. He has got first prize in show and tell competition organized by Mahavira Junior Model School. Well done, Rivansh. Sresht is a very peaceful and responsible child of my class. He is blessed with lots of good qualities. He is very friendly with everyone. His friendly and polite behavior is loved by all. Well done, Sresht. Siddhant Sharma is a very helpful and obedient child of my class. He loves listening stories and likes to participate in all the class activities. Well done, Siddhant.
Sohela Kaur is an all-rounder child of my class. She believes in completing her work in the most perfect way. Well done, Sohela, and congratulations on showing an all-rounder performance. She has participated and received Certificate of Excellence in Drawing and Coloring Competition organized by National Shampura Organization, Consolation Prize in Dance organized by Hunar, Appreciation Certificate in Craft Competition organized by MM Public School, and many more. Well done, Sohela. Trisha Gupta is a very smart and responsible child of my class. She is very good singer and excellent in coloring. Trisha got best entry in show and tell competition and first prize in drawing and coloring competition organized by MM Public School.
Dear kids, thank you so much for everything.
Special thanks to all the dear grandparents and lovely parents for supporting us and loving us throughout. You have proven that education cannot be stopped by anything or anyone, as it's a continuous process of learning.
And today is the last day together in KG. It's time to say goodbye. But with your new class, you will fly. Wishing you good luck. You are the best. That's what we say. We all will miss you. Love you all. Goodbye and take care.